The Smart Jack Support System is an innovative and highly effective solution provided by Northern Basements. This system has gained a reputation for providing permanent support and the ability to level a homeowner's uneven floors. Crawlspaces, often hidden beneath homes, play a crucial role in providing access to plumbing, electrical systems, and other essential components. However, over time, including foundation settlement and sagging floors, these issues are typically caused by factors like soil settling, moisture, and poor construction practices. Uneven floors in a home can lead to numerous problems, including difficulties with doors and windows, wall cracks, and compromised structural integrity. The Smart Jack Support System is a cutting-edge solution to address these common crawlspace problems. It consists of a network of robust, adjustable support posts, often referred to as smart jacks, that are strategically placed beneath the home's foundation within the crawl space. These smart jacks provide permanent structural support and can also help level uneven floors. The smart jacks are constructed to withstand the test of time. They are made of galvanized steel. Once installed, they are adjusted to provide optimal support, which not only stabilizes the home but also addresses issues like sagging floors. When floors sag or become uneven, it's often due to the shifting or settling of the home's foundation. The smart jacks are strategically placed in the crawl space to lift and level the affected areas. They can be adjusted as needed to ensure that the floors are restored to a level and stable condition. This leveling process not only enhances the aesthetics of the home, but also improves its overall structural integrity. The Smart Jack Support System doesn't just address the immediate issues. It provides a permanent solution. Once installed, these support posts offer continuous, long-term support to the home, preventing further settling and sagging. The galvanized steel construction ensures that the system remains durable and resistant to environmental factors that can cause wear and tear. Homeowners who choose the Smart Jack Support System by Northern Basements can enjoy several benefits. They gain peace of mind knowing that their home's foundation is stable and that any uneven floors have been expertly corrected. Smart Jack Support System for crawl spaces offered by Northern Basements is a remarkable innovation in the construction and home improvement industry. It provides permanent support, effectively levels uneven floors, and offers homeowners a reliable and lasting solution to their crawl space and foundation problems, ensuring the safety and longevity of their homes. Contact Matt Clark's Northern Basement Systems today for your free estimate on the Smart Jack system and all things basementy.